Ninth class student, exercise 7B, question number 6. 6 is under root 32 has power x divide 2 has power y plus 1 is equal to 1, and 8 has power y minus 16 has power 4 minus x upon 2 is equal to 0. Remove the square root and factor. 32 factor is 32 has power 1 by 2, 1 by 2 4 under root x power is multiply. Divide make multiply 2 has power y plus 1. 32 write the 2 has power 5. X upon 2 is equal to 2 has power y plus 1. Multiply by power and power 2 has power 5 upon 2. X is equal to 2 has power y plus 1. Comparing on after comparing 5 upon 2x equal y plus 1 upon 1 cross multiply 5x is equal to 2y plus 2. 5x minus 2y is equal to 2. That is first equation. Second will be 8 has power y minus make the plus 16 has power 4 minus x upon 2. 8 write the 2 power 3 whole power is y is equal to 16. 2 power 4 4 minus x upon 2 multiply by power 2 power 3 multiply by y 2 as power make be 3y equal 4 multiply y 4 4 जा 16 minus 4 into x upon 2 2 2 जा 4 2 as power 3y equal 2 as power 16 minus 2x. Now comparing on 3y is equal to 16 minus 2x. Both base are equal. 2x is the left hand side. 2x make be plus 3y is equal to 16. That is equation number 2. Now solve the equation first and second. 5x minus 2y is equal to 2. That is first equation. 2x minus plus 3y is equal to 16. that is second equation. Multiply by 2 and 3. Multiply by 3 in equation first and equation 2 by 2. Multiply 3 5 जा 15, 15x minus 6y is equal to 2 3 जा 6. That is first equation. Second equation is 2 2 जा 4, 2 3 जा 6 is equal to 2 6 जा 2 16 जा 32. By adding 6y plus is 19x is equal to 32 and 6 make 38. X is equal to 38 upon 19. 19 2 जा 30. X value is 2. Putting value of x in equation second. 2x plus 3y is equal to 16. That is first equation. Second equation, value putting x is equal to 2. 2 into 2 plus 3y is equal to 16. 2 2 जा 4. 4 plus 3y is equal to 16. Now 3y is equal to 16 minus 4. 3y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 12 upon 3. 3 4 जा 12. Y is equal to 4 and x is equal to 2. Question number 6 is complete. Question number 7. 7 is question is prove that first part is a as power a upon x as power b. Whole power is a plus b minus c. Second bracket is x has power b upon x has power c. Whole power is b plus c minus a. Third bracket is x has power c upon x has power a. c plus a whole power minus b is equal to 1. To prove is equal to 1. To take the left hand side. After left hand side, power make b a minus b. Whole power it is same. Second bracket it is x power b minus c. Whole power it is same. Third bracket is equal to x has power c minus a. Whole power a c plus a minus b. multiply by power. After multiply, x has power a minus b multiply by a plus b and minus c multiply by a square minus b square plus minus ac minus minus plus bc. Second bracket, it is same, b multiply b minus c multiply b plus c b square minus c square minus ab plus ac. Third is x has power c square minus a square plus and minus b multiply by minus bc plus ab. Base are equal. Product rule is x has power a square minus b square minus ac plus bc plus b square minus c square minus ab plus ac plus c square minus a square minus bc plus ab. That is all power a square by a square, c square by c square and b square by b square. ac, ab and bc. X has power 0 is equal to 1 is equal to RHS. First part is complete. 7 questions. Second part is seventh question, second part. X has power a bracket b minus c upon x has power b bracket a minus c divide x has power b upon x has power a whole power is c is equal to 1. We prove the one. To take the left hand side, multiply by x multiply by ab minus ac upon is ab minus bc divide change to multiply x upon a will be x upon b. Power it is whole power it is same. Reach the denominator to the numerator. Second bracket will be a minus b whole power it is same. Sign change by x has power ab minus ac minus ab plus bc. Multiply by power x has power ab माइनस AC प्लस BC इंटू मल्टीप्लाई बाई x पावर बाई पावर AC माइनस BC। प्रोडक्ट रूल बेस आर इक्वल x एज पावर माइनस AC प्लस BC प्लस AC माइनस BC, BC बाई BC, AC बाई AC, x एज पावर 0 इजिकल टू 1 इजिकल टू राइट हैंड साइड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 इज कंप्लीट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 आफ्टर 7 question is 10। question number 9 and 8 and 9 you should divide। question number 10 is if five as power minus p equal 4 as power minus q equal 20 as power r, show that वन अपॉन p प्लस वन अपॉन q प्लस वन अपॉन r इजिकल टू 0। let the 5 as power minus p इजिकल टू 4 as power minus q इजिकल टू 20 as power r इजिकल टू let be constant is k। 5 has power minus p इजिकल टू k, 4 has power minus q इजिकल टू k and 5 20 has power r इजिकल टू k। 5 value will be k power as minus 1 upon p, 4 value is k as power minus 1 upon q, factor is 20, factor will be 5 into 4, power should be same, 5 has power r into 4 has power r is equal to k। now put the value 5 and 4, 5 value is k as power minus 1 upon p, r power it is same into 4 value is k as power minus 1 upon q whole power r is equal to same is equal to k multiply by power minus r upon p into k as power in second bracket minus r upon q is equal to k as power 1 in right, product rule k as power minus r upon p minus r upon q is equal to k as power 1। comparing on minus r upon p minus r upon q is equal to 1. To take the common, r2 take the common, minus 1 upon p minus 1 upon q is equal to 1 upon 1. R into should be denominator 1 upon p minus 1 upon q is equal to 1 upon r. 0 is equal to minus 1 upon p, make plus 1 upon q plus is equal to 1 upon r. Hence proved. Thank you.